Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Chittarpeedam, Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now, Sri Chakra. Sri Chakra worship is available now in two dimensions. That is, you are drawing on copper plate or golden plate or silver plate, geometrical shapes, and you are filling in with the letters. That is a 2D, two-dimensional. Side A and side B is two-dimensional. Then three-dimension is also there. That is called Mahameru. But there is one more dimension mentioned in Tirumandram. It's a globe. The Sri Chakra forms as a globe with 144 triangles with the Omkar imprinted in it. And it is formed in the Guru Mandala and it moves, rotates, raising divine music. That is an important point you have to note. Normally, Sri Chakra you worship in the two dimension, conduct puja, citing mantras, and three dimension also you are chanting mantras and worshipping. But actually, these are formed in the Guru Mandala. If you do the Shaktipat Yoga, in Tirumandram chapter 4, this is dealing with the Shaktipat Yoga. In all worship, Sariya, Kriya, Yoga and Jnana. Third step is Yoga. And as such, this Shaktipat worship, Shakti worship is also having a Yoga. That is very subtle. In Yoga, you are making merger of Shakti energy in your body. And then the Sri Chakra will be formed in 2D, 3D and as a globe. How it happens? It happens with the merger of Adharas. It happens as a merger of Panchabhuta. It happens as a merger of Yandras. Yes, each of your Adhara is a Yandra, all dimensions. When they go inside another higher one, when they go inside other higher one, finally Sri Chakra is formed in your Guru Mandala. This is very well explained in Shaktipat Yoga, which is part of Siva Yoga, book Tirumandram. Tirumular is always explaining the subtle portion of all worships or yoga. So he is explaining the subtle portion of how this Sri Chakra is formed in the Guru Mandala of the yogi. And this worship, this physical, two-dimensional plate, three-dimensional Mahameru you can buy and keep it in puja room. But if you do this 2D, 3D and globe, golden globe will be formed in the Guru Mandala of the yogi. If it is found, it will always be with you. For other pujas, you can conduct only for 5 minutes, half an hour externally. This is energy formation in your own Guru Mandala. There are these Guru Mandala and Niradhara in every man. The Guru Mandala and Niradhara is not having physical support, only astral support. They remain in the astral body. They remain in the astral body and it will always be there. Once you form this in your Guru Mandala, it will always will remain with you till you leave this body and planets. Moreover, this Guru Mandala, this Sri Chakra formation in the Guru Mandala of the yogi, in the form of 2D, 3D and globe, multidimensional, it graces the world, it purifies the world, and it cleanses the world of the negative energy in the astral level. These are the secrets explained in Tirumandram stage by stage. In hymn 858, he explains how Sri Chakra is formed in the Guru Mandala of a yogi. Angiyil chinna kadu irandu ஆட்டத்து தங்கிய தாரகை ஆகும் சசி பானு வங்கிய தாரகை ஆகும் பறை ஒளி தங்கு நவச்சக்கரம் ஆகும் தரணிக்கே. he explains how this is formed in the Guru Mandala. And once it is formed in the Guru Mandala of an individual yogi, it goes universal. It will bless the whole world with universal. That is why in olden days the kings were having a yogi or jnani in their court itself. In the court, one person will bless the royal court, and he will advise the king whenever it is necessary. Because whatever decision taken by the king should not deviate from the spiritual dimension. Formerly, the kings were all fearful of these spiritual things. Nowadays, politicians are selling spiritual things for material gains, even selling temple properties for commercial people. But here, how it is formed? It is formed in the Guru Mandala. It forms by the merger of Panchabhutas. That is, earth merges with water in the Swadhisthana, earth in Mooladhara merges with the water in the Swadhisthana. So in the earth is having 20% energy. When it merges with the water, 20 plus 20, 40% energy it becomes. When you heat this water again, it goes to Agasa, merges with the air. When it goes to air, it takes away Agni also. In Agni, 60% energy is there. When it takes this Agni to this Vayu, energy becomes 80%. Now the physical forms are gone. The earth having a very heavy weight and water having somewhat lesser weight, they become weightless. Now they are in the air in the 80% energy. When you again heat it, the atoms in the air will dissolve into energy. When it happens, it goes to head and Guru Mandala and becomes the Sri Chakra. So atom is the base for even earth solid and water liquid and heat, etc. When it is merged and becomes spiritual energy, when this happens, Guru Mandala, the Sri Chakra will be formed in 3 dimensions, 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, and as a globe. He explains this in hymn to 1284. Parindidum chakram par angi nalum, kuvindidum chakram kuralumame. So this is Kuvindidum chakram, that is 3 dimensions, Mahameru. There in the form, the first form says 2 dimensions, Sri Chakra. In my practical classes, many persons are able to get darshan of the Sri Chakra in 2 dimensions. Then it is forms into 3 dimensions. When it becomes merged, Kuvindidum becomes a 3 dimension. So this is formed in that way. Then what happens? They become shine like stars. In hymn 1272, Tirumular says, Tarahayaha Samaindadu Chakram. Tarahay Melor Nuraindadu Peruli. Talaitadu Peruli. Tarahay, it shines like stars. And there's this white light, bright light encompasses this Sri Chakra. So this Sri Chakra is formed in the astral level. Astral light. That light you cannot see with your own eyes. When if you photograph with the Kirlian camera, the light you can see. And the above head of this Guru Mandala, the energy merger happens. All the chakras merge together. One within another, and finally total of all chakra becomes Sri Chakra formed in the Guru Mandala. When they are formed, they shine in the 12 rasis. He says in 1270, Rasiyul Chakram Nadamum Uttabin Rasiyul Chakram Nindidumaru. They shine in all 12 rasis also. This in the astral form. So this is formed in the astral body. That plate and this 3D you make of metal, that you can use only occasionally. But once it is formed in your own Guru Mandala, one of the these above Sahasrara, they are in the astral form always present with you, blessing the world. So this when this chakra is formed, this Shivananda will be there. Even Shivananda is transformed in this great light, and Sri Chakra is formed. ஆகாச அவ்வெழுத்து ஆகி சிவானந்தம் ஆகாச அவ்வெழுத்து ஆகி சிவானந்தம். That is, this chakra is the giving blissful energy. Actually, when this Guru Mandala, you activate Guru Mandala, blissful energy will be connected to your midbrain. This will activate the pool, energy pool in midbrain, where these 1305 pleasure buds are floating, and this will give you eternal bliss. That is ordinary happiness only one or two buds when they are activated, man gets ordinary happiness. When he activates 1305 together, this is called Peranandam, Paripuranandam, and from this Sri Chakra is formed, and Sri Chakra gives you this Paripurana Anandam eternally. These are the secrets mentioned in Tirumantram. Okay, thank you.